Let us see how you can generate a unique QR code and send it to the user via WhatsApp. This QR code can contain a discount code or an event ticket, or you can use it for any other purpose, and you can use our QR Android app to validate the QR. So for this, let us create a new object, and you can possibly name it as Diwali event or discount code or something, and let us click on create. So this is the object that has been created. Now first let us create a dummy QR for our own testing to understand the various components of the QR. So you can have a name, you can have the WhatsApp number of the user, and you can have up to 10 fields. The field number 9 and 10 can be image URLs. So that image will load as an image in the QR app. So if you have the user photo or something, you will need to put in field 9 and 10. And if you have any text data, maybe the discount percentage or number of people that are attending the event, or the number of tickets the user has purchased, or the package type or something, you can add all this info in up to 8 fields. So for example, the user has purchased a gold package that includes dinner. So all this data will be shown in the QR app after scanning the QR code by your team member, and possibly includes for 2 packs, or basically a couple Diwali dinner or something, and then you can click on create. And this QR I have generated manually, but you can generate it via the bot builder or the automation builder dynamically and send it to the user as well. So now let us go to the flow builder. So your bot has asked certain questions to the user, possibly the user has done a payment or something, and now after this step we want to generate the QR code and send it to the user. So click on add automation app, search for QR here. You will see the option of ticket QR. Kindly click on it. Select the option of create a new QR. Now we need to create a new authentication for this. So let us name it as test video, and you need to enter the ID and password of your QR app. Now after entering the credential, select the test with authentication that you have created. Now you'll need the event ID. You can get the event ID, which is basically the object ID, from here. Simply click on copy here and paste it here. You can map the user's WhatsApp name or any other previous custom field here. So for WhatsApp name, you need to select the name option. For WhatsApp number, the WABA option, and you have up to 8 different text fields. So for example, you have stored the package or discount percentage. You can map it from the previous custom fields or bot fields. So for now, let me simply add it as 5% discount. And if you have any image URL of the user, you can add the image URL here, or you can also map that from the custom field. Now let us click on run and save. So when we see the run history here, we'll see that we have got the QR image of the particular ticket, the QR code. Now click on save. Now in the next step, you want to send this as a text, as an image message to the user, the QR code. Simply click on image message, and you can possibly enter here, show this QR code at entry, and you need to map the image URL here. The image URL field doesn't show the variable mapping option. So for that, you can click on this history option here, expand all, and search for the QR image URL, and then cut this by using Control X and then Control V, or Command X and Command V. So now this will basically send a dynamic image in the bot, which is generated at this 7 number step. click on save workflow, and then test the workflow. So this is how you're dynamically generating a QR, and then you can use our Android app. You can download it from here and use it to validate the QR. Thank you.